Hey guys, Brent Boyer from Adam again. So let's talk divorce. I want to talk today about child support and how your divorce case affects child support and what goes on at the beginning of a divorce case. So I get this question from a client of, is there a way to avoid child support? In other words, am I going to have to pay child support in a divorce case? So if you're getting divorced and you have children under 18, there's of course the potential for having to pay some child support, but there are ways to avoid it, especially short term. So first of all, child support by definition involves two people that are living apart. There is no child support, there is no valid child support if you're living under the same roof. So one of the concerns we have at the beginning of a divorce is who's filing first. It's possible for whoever files first to set up court orders, what are called ex parte orders. These get signed without a hearing at the beginning, and they can affect a lot of different things. When there's kids, they can affect custody, parenting time, and child support. So then the question becomes, well, how do I avoid having to pay child support? I really don't need to pay child support. I support my children. There's no reason for me to have a court order telling me I got to support my children. Well, so if you're living together, there is no child support. So then when you're living together at the beginning of a divorce, this danger of the other person filing first and getting a court order having you pay child support goes away. There's no such thing. So if you're going to start living apart, then you run the risk of child support can be entered. You still have the ability at the beginning of your divorce case to set up how all that's going to go. And one strategy on that is to file before your wife does. So if you file first, then you're the one setting up the court orders. You're the one getting a court order signed without a hearing, getting an ex parte order signed by the court. And then you, if you're filing first, of course, you would not set up an order for child support. What you would do instead is just continue to pay the bills in the way that you have been, basically keep the status quo, and go forward that way. So you're still supporting your children, but you're not under a court order for child support. So those are a couple strategies to avoid that type of thing at the beginning of a divorce. Like I said, number one, stay living together as long as possible. And number two, get something filed first, and you'll be able to avoid child support. And then if you're looking to figure out what child support numbers look like or what you can expect, of course, that makes sense. But you want to avoid things being done without your input and without any discussion. So hopefully that helps.